In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of a slide in a presentation. Whether you're trying to give your presentation a more personalized touch or just want to refresh its look, changing a slide's background is a simple step that can have a dramatic impact. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring every detail is clear for you to follow with confidence. First, you'll want to open your presentation and navigate to the specific slide you wish to modify. If you haven't already, launch your presentation software and locate your file. Once the presentation is open, click on the slide that you want to update. This is where we'll focus our attention. Next, move your cursor to the top menu of your program. You'll see several options here, but the one we're interested in is the Slide menu. Click on it, and a drop-down list will appear. From this list, find and select Change Background. This action will open up a dialog box that will guide you through the rest of the process. In this dialog box, you'll notice several options, but to proceed with changing the background image, look for the button or link associated with images. It might say Image or Choose Image next to the background prompt. Go ahead and click on that. Now, we're at the exciting part, selecting your image. You have a few choices here depending on where your image is stored. You can either upload an image from your computer, choose one from your drive if it's connected, or even input a URL if your image is online. Take your time to find the perfect image that represents the theme or message of your presentation. Once you've selected your image, you'll need to decide whether this background should be applied to just the slide you initially selected, or across the entire presentation. If you wish to maintain the same background image across every slide for a consistent look, click on Add to Theme or Apply to Theme. If you prefer that this image is unique to the single slide, simply leave these settings as they are. Finally, to make these changes official, click Done or the equivalent button that finalizes your decisions within the dialog box. And there you have it. The new background should now be visible on your slide. You've successfully changed the look and feel of your presentation. This small tweak can make a big difference in terms of visual appeal. I recommend previewing the entire presentation to see how the new background integrates with your content. Remember, having a visually appealing presentation can engage your audience and enhance their overall experience, so don't be afraid to make those creative adjustments. Thank you for tuning in, and happy presenting.